Hi, I'm Beth. Welcome to Dr. Roner's office. Just wanted to give you a quick tour of our office.
When you arrive for your first visit, make sure you check in to a smiling face at the front desk.
After you complete your paperwork at the front desk, you can have a seat in our waiting room where we always have the best movies playing.
Once your name is called, just come on back with us and pick out a new toothbrush bag, and then follow us right over to our brightly colored chairs and just have a seat, and that's when the fun begins.
Here, you'll have your teeth brushed, flossed, and a professional fluoride application put on. After that, Dr. Roner will come and do a full mouth evaluation. Once everything checks out okay, you get to skip to the best part.
All right, let's be real. We all know our favorite time is prize time. What will you choose?
While a member of our staff consults with a parent, your child can come and watch a movie or play in the toy area while they wait.
Thank you so much for coming along on our office tour, and we cannot wait to meet you.